Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The UK's NIESR GDP estimate will be released at 11 GMT. The UK's industrial production at 6 GMT. The US USDA WASDE report at 16 GMT. The US continuing jobless claims will be released at 12:30 GMT. The Dutch Consumer Price Index at 4:30 GMT. Finland's current account at 5 GMT.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
A US-China trade deal is done, US President Donald Trump said, hours after negotiators from Washington and Beijing agreed on a framework to get a fragile trade truce back on track and remove Chinese export restrictions on rare earth minerals and other critical industrial components. Oil prices rose more than 4% to their highest in more than 2 months after sources said the US was preparing to evacuate its Iraqi embassy due to heightened security concerns in the Middle East. Bitcoin is closing in on a new high, buoyed by renewed optimism that the United States and China have reached a final agreement on their long-awaited trade deal. The world's largest trading economies have nearly completed their trade agreement, according to a post by US President Donald Trump.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
The Bitcoin-dollar pair plummeted 1.2% in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal. The euro-dollar pair rose 0.4% in the last session. The RSI indicates an overbought market. The pound got a slight bump of 0.2% against the dollar in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal. The last session saw the Aussie drop 0.4% against the dollar. The stochastic RSI indicates an overbought market.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.